दोस्तों, पिछली वीडियो में हमने लिनक्स के 10 कमांड पढ़े हैं। तो इस वीडियो में हम लिनक्स के 10 और कमांड पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपनी वीडियो। लिनक्स फिल्टर कमांड 31 है od कमांड। द od कमांड इज यूज्ड टू डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट ऑफ ए फाइल। 32 sort कमांड। द sort कमांड इज यूज्ड टू sort फाइल इन alphabetical order। 33 gzip command. The gzip command is used to truncate the file size. It is a compressing tool. 34 है ggunzip command. The ggunzip command is used to decompress a file. It is a reverse operation of gzip command. 35 है find command. The find command is used to find a particular file within a directory. It is supported various options to find a file such as by name, by types, by date and more. The following symbols are used after the find command: dot for current directory name, slash for root. 36 है locate command. The locate command is used to search a file by name. It is quite similar to find command. The difference is that it is a background process. It search the file in the database, whereas if the find command search in the file system, it is a faster than the find command. To find the file with the locates command, keep your database update. 37 है date command. The date command is used to display date, time zone and more. 38 है cal command. The cal command is used to display the current month calendar with the current date highlighted. 39 is sleep command. The sleep command is used to hold the terminal by the specified amount of time. By default, it takes time in a second. 14 है time command. The time command is used to display the time to execute a command. तो अगर आपने पिछली वीडियो नहीं देख ली तो वो जाकर ज़रूर देख लें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।